Most drawing tablets sold online are overpriced junk built to fail within months. Pick wrong and you're out hundreds and stuck with a laggy screen. Ever tried drawing on a tablet that freezes mid-stroke and kills your flow? Relax, this video breaks down the top 5 and what suits you best. Today, I'm going to be going over the drawing tablets that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Wacom Intuos Small. With Wacom's EMR battery-free technology, the Intuos Small delivers a pen-on-paper feel that streamlines sketching sessions. Designed to run across Mac, Windows, Chromebook, and Android devices, this tablet integrates smoothly with diverse software from painting to photo editing. Professionals choose Wacom for dependable pen performance and predictably accurate input, underscoring why the Intuos Small remains a trusted intro option. With software and online training included, this bundle jumpstarts creativity by providing beginners with guided assets and immediate project opportunities. Compact, travel-friendly design with a matte surface offers comfortable palm rest and dependable grip during long drawing sessions. Though compact, its drawing area remains generous for detailed work while preserving a slim profile suitable for desks, bags, and commuting. Chromebook users can plug in and begin drawing instantly, as this tablet remains compatible with Chrome OS ecosystems alongside conventional platforms. 4 customizable express keys provide quick access to common actions, reducing workflow interruptions and enabling faster iteration when refining sketches. The pen uses precise sensitivity to variations in pressure and tilt, translating pressure into expressive strokes and enabling subtle shading. On screen, 4 express keys can be customized for shortcuts such as brush size, undo, redo, and zoom, enhancing workflow. In everyday tests, response remains snappy for sketching and basic photo edits, delivering dependable performance without noticeable lag. On Chrome OS devices, compatibility remains consistently reliable and straightforward, ensuring a smooth, distraction-free, creative experience across apps. Compared with the Huion H1060P, the Wacom Intuos Small provides smoother pen feel and stronger software support. The pros include an affordable price, an excellent pen feel, and a comprehensive software bundle that jumpstarts creative practice. The cons include a relatively small drawing area for larger projects and the absence of a built-in display. At number 4, we have the XP-Pen Deco 01 V3. From first glance, this compact drawing pad signals approachable entry for beginners seeking a battery-free stylus and ergonomic shortcuts. The large work area measures 10 by 6 inches, delivering ample space for complex compositions while remaining portable. It supports up to a generous tilt range of up to 60 degrees, enabling natural shading and fluid stroke variation. The updated stylus delivers precise pressure with 16,384 levels, creating smooth lines and convincing shading for artists. 8 customizable shortcuts cater to both right and left-handed artists, supporting efficient workflows and personalized control every day. It is perfectly adapted for Android and supports Android 10 and above, with mapping to various screen aspect ratios. Connectivity relies on USB-C to USB-C and adapters, enabling quick setup across laptops, tablets, and desktops for beginners. At a remarkable 8mm thin, this tablet stays light and portable for drawing sessions on the go. The expansive 10 by 6 inch drawing space encourages expressive layouts, while the 8 express keys support rapid actions. Ideal for teaching and gaming drawing because the etched surface resists wear while your strokes stay precise across apps. In real-world use, the tablet paired easily with Android, Windows, and Mac devices, delivering accurate pen mapping and natural response. Compared to the Wacom Intuos, this Deco model emphasizes beginner-friendly features and affordable price without sacrificing essential performance. The pros include exceptionally precise pressure sensitivity with a battery-free stylus, 8 programmable shortcuts for workflows, and wide compatible USB-C connectivity. The cons include limited drawing space compared to larger tablets, which can restrain ambitious canvases, and Android app dependency may complicate initial setup. At number 3, we have the XP-Pen Artist13.3 Pro. Right out of the box, creators note a sleek display, a compact footprint, and a sturdy aluminum chassis that exudes quality. The 13.3-inch screen is fully laminated, reducing parallax for more accurate pen contact and a natural drawing feel. An adjustable stand and red dial enhance ergonomic posture, letting artists zoom, brush size, or canvas flip with intuitive motion. The tilt function supports up to 60 degrees, enabling natural shading without constant software reconfiguration during fluid pencil work. Color accuracy spans 88% NTSC and Adobe RGB near 91%, with sRGB around 123%. Viewing angles reach an expansive 178 degrees, preserving color fidelity from multiple positions for collaboration or reference work. The tablet includes a battery-free stylus and a versatile case that doubles as a stand, while 8 customizable shortcut keys streamline workflow. 8 shortcut keys and a dial support custom workflows, allowing rapid brush size changes, canvas zoom, and layer flipping during creative sessions. Fully laminated screen integration minimizes parallax and ensures a distraction-free working environment, letting artists translate strokes precisely onto the display. In performance tests, the pen response remains low latency and consistently smooth across supported software like Photoshop, Blender, and other major graphics programs. Color and shading performance hold up under real-world workloads with consistent pressure response and natural tilt shading across apps. The device is compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome OS, broadening its appeal for mixed software ecosystems. Compared to a leading competitor like the Wacom One, this model delivers richer tilt shading and a broader color gamut overall. The pros include premium build quality and durable construction standards, 60-degree tilt shading, and wide color gamut. The cons include the requirement of a computer connection and a relatively premium price compared to basic tablets. At number 2, we have the Huion Kamvas 13 Gen 3. This model uses the all-new canvas glass 2.0 layered over a fully laminated 13.3-inch display, reducing glare. Kamvas 13 Gen 3 drawing tablet is not a standalone device and must be connected to a computer or laptop to work. The 13.3-inch display is fully laminated and paired with anti-glare canvas glass to minimize glare and deliver crisp lines. PenTech 4.0 delivers 16,384 pressure levels with 2-gram IAF and 3 programmable side buttons. Color fidelity improves with Delta E under 1.5, 99% sRGB, and Rec. 709 coverage for vibrant results. A factory calibration report is included to ensure color consistency across devices and workflows, offering confidence during critical illustration projects. USB-C single cable connection and 5 programmable shortcut keys along with dual dial controls streamline creative workflows. In direct comparison to the Wacom One, the Kamvas 13 Gen 3 offers similar pen performance at a more affordable price. The pros include solid build, excellent color, and adjustable stand. The cons include not standalone and price premium. Supports Windows 10, Mac OS 1012, Android USB 3.1 Gen 1 devices, and DP 1.2. With the adjustable ST300 stand, you can tilt and raise the display to comfortable angles, reducing wrist strain during extended sessions. Market data shows price around $209 USD, rating 4.6 from 730 reviews. Overall, the Kamvas 13 Gen 3 delivers strong color accuracy and portability, best suited for creators who already own a computer. At number 1, we have the Huion H1060P. From the first touch, the device presents a comfortable 10 by 6.25-inch work area and a slim profile. Build quality exudes premium aluminum construction, delivering durable yet lightweight feel with clean lines and a minimalist silhouette that complements professional desks. The PW100 battery-free stylus supports a plus 60-degree tilt, enabling natural line variation and pressure sensitivity without charging. An array of 12 programmable press keys together with 16 soft keys provides fast, customizable shortcuts during creative sessions. Platform compatibility spans Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Linux flavors, supported by a driver-based interface that enables seamless cross-platform use. Note that Mac connections might require a USB adapter, while Android phones connect via OTG, but iPhones remain unsupported for direct drawing. Symmetrical design suits both hands, with a driver option to rotate layout by 180 degrees. Real-world tests show accurate pressure sensitivity and consistent cursor response across supported software, with minimal input lag during sketching and shading. During extended sessions, the battery-free PW100 stylus demonstrates reliable tracking and sustained pressure response without interruptions or charging. Compared with the XP-Pen Deco Pro, this model offers a larger work area and more programmable keys for faster workflow. The pros include large work area, battery-free tilt stylus, and extensive shortcut keys. The cons include limited phone OTG support and Linux compatibility requiring Zorg rather than Wayland. With a price around $43.99, this tablet offers solid value for artists at many levels. In summary, this Inspiroi tablet remains a compelling option for students and professionals seeking a balanced, capable drawing tablet.